So in this video over here, which is the first one here, actually showed you how you can actually make money on Instagram. So if you've got an Instagram page and you're wondering like how can you actually make money with it in Zambia, well, this video shows you the proof of how much I made and how I actually did it. Okay, so if you've got an Instagram account or a page with a lot of followers and you'd like to get paid from your audience, okay, this video is for you. Okay, so even if I've created this video showing you how you can actually make money with these platforms, okay, some of you still find it hard to actually make money from them. So this is why from now on I'll be offering mentorships. Like from now on you can actually contact me and schedule up a WhatsApp video call, a Zoom call, and I get to help you in monetizing your Instagram account in Zambia and make money from it. Of course, I want to be doing this for free. I'm going to be charging a 200 kwacha. Okay, I know you might be having a question like, why am I charging and not just teaching you for free? Well, for this it's going to be one-on-one mentorships, and it's something else I cannot do for free. Okay, and it's actually another way of actually supporting content creators, because all Zambian content creators are not making money when people from Zambia watch their videos. So they actually pay me to help you with stuff. Okay, you're actually supporting me to continue what I do. Okay, so all you have to do is start by contacting me. My number is 0977 770202. Yeah, so I guess that's it. So if this video helped you in any way, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.